Hey guys, it's me Ben here at Neha Wireless, going live for a quick second to give an overall quick little tour of our store. As you can see, we have plenty of stuff in stock for the kids as far as their rides are concerned, and we're always getting new stuff. We have electric scooters up there as well. Loving the electric scooter. Will be having my own before too long, I feel. We have the little dirt bikes too, and we have the karaoke speakers and the big ones as well. So big and small karaoke speakers, not to mention TVs. We also do computer and laptop repairs, you can see, not to mention we also work on iPhones and Androids on a daily basis, and game console repair as well. Alright guys, and on this side, we have iPads starting in this first cabinet as you walk in. These start at $179 plus tax, guys, for the iPads. So make sure that when you walk in, you stop and look to your right. We have laptops ranging all the way from Acer, HP, and Lenovo over to the Apple MacBooks. We have the older editions, 2015 to 16, for around $200 to $299, depending on which style you go with. We have the Air and the Pro. We also have tons of accessories for your Android phones on this side. Not to mention some Android phones starting at only $100 unlocked. And we also offer leasing of all kinds, with and without banking accounts. Ask us how when you're in the store, and we can help. Xbox Series S and X. Leasing always available. PlayStation 5 always in stock at Neha Wireless. And tons of tablet and computer accessories and listening accessories. And as you can see, we have a couple of boxes down there we are in the process of unpacking. So guess what? We have even more coming into stock as we speak. And over here we have hoverboards. $129 plus tax, and you can take a hoverboard home with you. We have up to the iPhone 14 Pro Max and 14 Plus in stock, unlocked, and ready for your whatever carrier you want. And guys, if you don't have one, no worries. We can set up a new carrier right here in store for you.
California.
All right, and guys, make sure that you get in here and check out what we have at Neha Wireless, because we like to try to have just about everything, so you have an awesome variety to shop. I hope everyone has a great day.